So wait a minute. After having just preached the importance of full depth squats, am I contradicting myself by saying you need to do partial squats? In 2014, a longitudinal study was published proving that athletes who performed partial squats in addition to full squats improved their overall squat performance at a faster rate than those who only did full squats. And in 2017, another research group used electrical recording to prove that some muscle groups only get full activation during partial squat maneuvers. So for maximum results, you need to do both. Here are two variations of that. Here I'm going from a full squat up to 90 degrees and then back down. This will maintain maximal activation on your glutes throughout the whole movement. In the next variation, you start at 90 degrees flexion and then up till you're almost standing up and then back down. It's important that you do not stand all the way up because maintaining some flexion in the knee will ensure that your quads stay activated throughout the entire movement. Do these correctly and not only will your glutes and quads be hammered, but your full squat will also greatly improve.